This is SetOut AI, the first urban pre-feasibility platform built for the MENA region. In the design space, every click generates a completely new development scenario. Adjust density, assign building types, shape every parcel to match your development program. Every option carries real development metrics. Save the ones worth taking further. Switch to the proforma mode, and your design is already a complete financial model. Link any cell directly to your layout data. Set your assumptions, land cost, construction rates, unit pricing, everything your feasibility study needs. Now switch between your saved layouts and watch every budget line, every revenue figure update instantly. Drill into your cash flow. Select the returns that matter and monitor them across every scenario you've saved. One click generates a full comparison table automatically. Back in design, your financial KPIs are right there in your workspace. Ready to pitch? Switch to AI Render, frame your view, set a style, and generate investor-ready visuals in seconds. From site to feasibility in minutes. Try SetOut AI for free.